Hi there. I hope you're doing good and hope all the things are really great at your side. So let us try to start with in the QML Algo Trader. What are the different new features we have introduced? So you can try to see it here. Okay, so you can clearly notice as soon as you come here. So try to log into the QML Algo Trader. Okay, so please go to www.qmlalgotrader.com, and also we got a 30% off during the Independence Day month. And also you can clearly notice we have got all the different features as well. Okay, so you can try to opt for any of the business plans, so you'll be getting a 30% off with respect to all the different things. And now what we have here is, so please notice here, so try to log into here. So I'll be using some of the sample accounts, you can see. And now we have got this one, uh, the QMLAlgoTrader.com. And right now we have introduced a lot of things. Okay, so we have a paper trading option, you can clearly notice. So if you wanted to do any paper trading, so you can try to use a paper trading. You can see paper trade option also we have introduced. So you can try to allocate certain funds and try to do the paper trading option. Okay, so start paper trade, stop paper trade, all the things are there. Enable the live also. Okay, so before going for any of the live trades, you just do the paper trade, and then again like this you can try to go with the live trade. Now you can see it is in a live. Okay, so really beautiful thing. And recently, so last week, that is 27 28th of the 20th and 21st of the August. So we were actually working on a coding and deploying, coding, backtesting and deploying. So that part we were working with the QML-Algotrader. Right now it is all deployed. You can clearly notice my screen, AI strategies. Under, if you go, I'll zoom in a little bit. You can try to click on this one, QML Dev Studio. So QML Dev Studio, so it will be giving you all the development related tasks. What is the development related task? Means there are certain coders, they are really love to write a code and try to test it. So now you can see Python script and Pine script, both we have worked it, and C++ is still under on the map. Means we are shortly we're going to introduce. So Python script and Pine script sample I'll try to take. So 5 different scripts we have given here, SMA crossover. You can try to take this one and try to name it. Say SMA crossover 111 I'll try to give. All right, if I want to give SMA crossover Python 11, that also I can try to give. Okay, so you can notice. So try to save it first, then again try to go with the backtest. Index option, Nifty. So here is a frame. Okay, so time frame 15 minutes. So here 23 at 1 year data we are trying to give, and run the backtest. Also option, whatever the options are there, CEP, and also it is actually included in the given code itself. Okay, so you can try to include in the code itself. Okay, so buy the C, sell the C, etc, etc. Currently you can see backtest is completed. You can try to go and check the details here, 6,851. So I think really good. Okay, so even though in the paper trade also, if you wanted to deploy, so 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes, so different time frames, you can start with the paper trade. So here also we are given an option. You can see the curve. And similarly what we have done here is, so we have actually done with respect to the dates, times, everything. Okay, so shortly we're going to give the download in a CSV format option. And similarly Pine script also I'll try to show. Pine script SMA crossover, I click on here. Now you can see SMA crossover hyphen Pine script hyphen 111. So save the strategy first, then go with the bank this one, backtest. I click on the backtest. Now you can see it is running in a sandbox. So completely everything will be in a sandbox. Now you can see 3,245 and 3% return, 1% drawdown. So graph is getting generated. So uh, the profit margin also you can try to see. So profit factor, profit margin, how many trades it has been taken with respect to the dates, everything is here. So like this, what we can do, if you are really a good coder, you are from development background, you want to test, you want to do all this kind of things. So in the this one sandbox only, you can try to do the testing as well. All right, so that's how basically we're trying to introduce to all the coders, developers as well, Python script, Pine script. So please try to use this facility and try to deploy your trades. And also we got a built-in strategies, like 100+ built-in strategies we have already introduced. So you can clearly notice we have given a free strategies also, bank nifty, all the different free strategies we have given to all the users. Please utilize it. And also in the AI market IQ, we have introduced a lot of new things. Okay, so new things in the sense like a AI price action. Okay, so people who are not aware about all this, so please try to go here, try to check all the different levels. Okay, so support level and resistance level, why it is so important, how many times it has been tested. So based on that, we are trying to bring the this one information to the users. Okay, candlestick pattern, everything is shown like this. And also what we can do, you can try to go with the momentum trading. You want to deal with the momentum trading, so you can try to select a time frame. Along with that, it will help you to do the momentum trading. And also what you can do, there is a AI analysis. So please try to do the AI analysis also. You can click on this. It will be giving you AI analysis for price action, for this one momentum trading. So for everything, it will take 40-50 seconds and it will be giving you the result. You can check. And we have reinvented all the indicators, RSI, MACD, all that we have reinvented. Okay, as per the index price and all, because index price keeps on changing, correct? So price action also, if you go, if you wanted to do the AI analysis, so you can see the AI analysis also. Okay, so you can do the AI analysis. We have introduced the AI engines here. 40-50 seconds it will take, and definitely it will study all the price levels, how the market is reacting, and based on that it will give you the analytics statistics. So please follow the same. And similarly what we have got, we have got a order flow footprint chart. So this is one of the beautiful and free option we have given. You can see last from past 15 minutes. Okay, so in the Nifty future, what will happen? You can see bid and ask, clearly it will show it is a real orders. Okay, and market profile, at what level, what is the value area high, value area low, what is the range, what is the point of control, and also you want to run the AI analysis, you can try to run it. So it will take 40-50 seconds and it will be done. A beautiful option we have given. And also what we have got, advanced hedging also we have given. Okay, so you can see Nifty, bank Nifty. So you wanted to add any of the legs, let's say 24 400, so add one C leg, and also 24 400 600 one P leg you want to add. Okay, so here you can see buying, selling, anything is fine. Okay, so you can try to check with the net delta, how much you will be getting, net gamma, net theta. Okay, so all the whatever the this one option Greeks are there, so you need to study the option Greeks first, then only you can try to go with the advanced hedging. So you run the AI analysis, so it will give you the complete this one details. Okay, so what is the delta neutral, okay, what how to hedge it, how to do the delta hedging, so all that it will give you. Okay, so that's a beautiful option you can try to use in a advanced hedging. And arbitrage trading is also one of the beautiful option, so you can try to use for Nifty, bank Nifty, fin Nifty, everything. And you can ask the AI, how can I do the arbitrage trading? That will also help you. Now you can see arbitrage trading for a different levels, different markets, it is going to give, ask the AI, so it will help you for arbitrage trading as well. And then again you got a high frequency trading. Okay, so this is also one of the beautiful option. People who are a tick scalps, people who are a good scalpers, for the scalpers also we have got a one option, one feature here. So please try to use the this option also, people who want to do the scalping and also at what level you can try to do the scalping. All right, so it will be showing in a live market. So since currently market is off, so it will be showing at the micro level. So 100 millisecond at least it will capture. Okay, so one tick how much you are getting, so it will be definitely giving you the this one high frequency trading. And swing trading also beautiful. Last 5 minutes, last 15 minutes, last 30 minutes, what was the status? Nifty was showing a bullish, bank Nifty, there was no clear edge from 5 minutes, 15 minutes it was at least bullish. Fin Nifty it was showing a bearish, Sensex also showing a bearish. You can try to see from the graph also. So this particular swing trade is also really beautiful option. Use it. Where is the edge? Okay, what are the trade parameters and how can we analyze with the market? So it is going to give you everything like this. Okay, so that's the beauty. You can try to refer from here as well. All right, and also you can do the sentiment analysis. You can see TCS, HDFC, Nifty. You can try to add any stocks here, any stocks, any indexes. Try to do the sentiment analysis like this. You can see what is the TCS, what it is doing. Okay, so fast from so and so minute, it will be showing what is the HDFC Bank, what it is showing. Okay, what is the Nifty, what it is showing. So it will be giving you accordingly. All right, so please try to refer it, and this is really important. Okay, so watch list plus AI vibe. So AI vibe is going to give you the AI sentiment analysis for various stocks, indexes, etc. Okay, so these are the various things we have given. And also what we have given, 3 days of free trials we have given for all the people. So if you go to our main page, so here also we have mentioned clearly 3 days free trial, pro trial for all the users. Okay, so you can try to do the AI analysis, you can try to do various things. Okay, so for AI agents, for retail traders and institutional, both we have introduced. So please try to use this facility, and that too we are in August month, that is Independence Day month, so 30% off also you'll be getting. So please try to go with all the pricings, you can check it here. So if you apply this one freedom 15, so immediately you will be getting all the benefits as well. So please try to utilize this freedom 15 like this. Automatically you can see the reduction in the price. So go with the quarterly, annually, so you'll be getting a lot of benefits. So this feature is only limited to 31st August. So please do it, utilize this facility. Okay, very important. So I hope you people have enjoyed. So please log into QML Algo Trader, try to trade with accuracy, trade with AI, that will really benefit you a lot. And also we have integrated with the our money, which is really India is one of the leading broker, past from 21 plus years of experience they are having in the Indian markets, and they are all SEBI registered broker. So please open the account from their end as well and try to log in and try to trade it. Okay, so we got a lot of beautiful options. You can try to do the paper trading, you can try to do the indexing, you can try to do equity futures, anything you can try to do it from QML-Algotrader. One of the beautiful tool we have brought it for you, so please utilize it. So all the advanced level analysis also what we have built it. So built-in strategy also you want, you can try to use a built-in strategy. We have given free of cost. Okay, so few things only you can try to pay. Okay, built-in strategies. And QML Dev Studio, as we already discussed, any development script and all you want to do it, so you can try to perform. And option builder, feature builder. So here also we have introduced a lot of graphs, curves. You can see very nicely we have built it. Okay, and directly you want to place an order, directly you can try to select which strike you want. You can try to place a direct order from here also. Select a broker. So currently we have integrated with our money, Zerodha, Done and all. So shortly we are going to introduce with integrate with the other brokers also across the India. Okay, so please utilize all the options. So I hope you are all clear. And also any help you people wanted, you can WhatsApp our team. Number is given here 9611291447, and also you want to call and ask, you can call and ask. Email also support@qmlalgotrader.com is available. Okay, and you can try to use your own particular name. Let's say Ramesh, Ganesh, Suresh, Mahesh, etc. Try to use your own name and try to send us your queries. In case you want to register bulk, okay, so you have a bulk registration. So during that time also, you people can come and you can try to request our team. They will be helping you. So this is it for the day, team. Any thing from your side at any point of time? Our team is available 9 to 6, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. from Monday to Friday, and Saturday 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. they are available at any point of time. Any help you wanted, please come to us and our team will be able to assist you. Yeah, thank you so much. This is it for the day, and happy trading all of you. Happy AI oriented algo trading, everyone. This is the time of AI. Please use the AI oriented algo trading. Don't do any mistake, and good luck to you as well. From our side, always we are here to help you. All right, so this is it. Thank you so much once again. All of you take care and bye bye.